Hello everyone. Am I audible? Show your thumbs up if you all can hear me. Thumbs up with a bright smile. Yes. We always start our work with smile because we believe that when you will be happy, your work will be happy. Yes. And today you are going to learn something which is going to change the environment. Yes, these are small, small steps for betterment of our planet where we are living. And we are creating heaps of garbage without being bothered about the material we are using, where it is going. So this is a small efforts. Together we will learn to reuse and repurpose things so that we can save environment. Okay. So with a big smile, we will start the work. Show me a thumbs up with smile, everyone. Yes, and today's craft, which we are going to learn out of waste material, it's very helpful. And as these days we can see the season of wedding is happening all around, so you will be able to save lots of money using it. So, chalo, without delay, let's see first that what material is needed. Okay. So here I will show the material and what else could be used. Yes. And it's a very simple way of reusing, repurposing waste cards, or if you have any of the stationery of this kind. Say cards, the stationery of card is extremely amazing. And what we do, we simply discard cards. And a cards, and see this. I think you will immediately recognize it. And this kind of paper we find with what? Any guesses? Huh? हाँ मिठाई के डब्बों में है ना we get sweets and in that this kind of golden paper how can you see how rich is the quality and color is looking so beautiful. Can you imagine one envelope can be made out of it, golden envelope, and look at its material, it's such amazing material. And this kind of wedding cards, you know, these are amazing because the paper, the stationery which has been used, it's really outstanding. And in cards, we'll find this kind of patterns, on front and all. If you have broken jewelry, if you have like clip or something of this kind, you know, now, even greeting cards could be used. This is the birthday card. You can see the envelope. It is such amazing in color. Even this kind of things could be used. And, and look at this wedding card. Like, I'm so amazed. It's wood and backside, you can see how outstanding it is. We can use it as canvas for painting, है ना? So we need to see that what ways we can repurpose. Even you can make a small tray out of it. The material is that strong and stiff. Okay. So this all material we will be using today for creating a beautiful craft. Okay, we will be learning two things: one very small basket, small gift basket, and one envelope. Okay, so are you ready? Are you ready? Yes. Show me your stuff you have in your with you. Yes. So if you have anything else, you can definitely use that. And if you have, suppose, any other paper which is card paper, it can be a carry bag, it can be something else, and a cover pages or anything which is colorful, we can reuse, repurpose for making uh, lovely envelopes. Okay, and like I'm going to use paper, but if you will do pasting of cloth over, it could be used as a small purse, clutch for your mom. Okay. So after making its basic shape, like we are going to use circle for it. So you can do pasting of cloth. Many times old dupattas and leftover pieces, you can do pasting of cloth. And if you will assemble after pasting cloth, it can be used as a clutch or purse. Okay. So this artwork is that way is very, very helpful. So children are still joining, so we will wait for a little more time. Okay. And by the time, be ready because we need this. We need a circle. So I'm going to use this circle. What is the diameter of it? It is, let me tell you, it is 10 fingers. 10 finger is the diameter of this complete circle. Okay, so you can use accordingly if you want to make a small one. According to a circle, your envelope will be made. And this is extremely simple method of making, and you will see the envelope will look excellent. If you have old coins like 1 rupee coin and all, you can even do the pasting of that. But I will take out this particular part from this wedding card, and I will paste this on the top of my envelope. But if you have any other thing which you want to use, you can definitely use that. Okay. So yes, scissors we need Fevicol. Okay, very limited things are needed. Pencil for making drawing, and if you have some other material which you have available, like this kind of flowers, these are paper flowers. You know, if you want to put paper flowers on your envelope, you can artificial flowers. You can see that what stuff you have. If you have laces, even the laces we can put. So this all is absolutely optional. Whatever you have, you can use for decorating. And we didn't mention it because we all are having different stuff. See, I have Lord Ganesha. This is made of iron. So see how wonderful it is looking. I can do its pasting and it will give an amazing look, right? This is also something wonderful we can use. And I will see what else I have in my treasure box. Yes, I have this fur. Yes, of course, we can put fur also. And I have this lovely cutout. This also I took out from one wedding card only. You see, this kind of things when you assemble, you can decorate it. You know? And here I have a lovely craft which is made of clay. You know, with the holy symbol is over. So I can use even this. This is made with clay. So this kind of decorative pieces could be used for decorating your envelope. So you just see that what you have available and you will go with that. Okay? Chalo. So shall we start? We will wait for a little more time so that all the students can be with us and then we will get started with. So please collect all the stuff. Okay, I gave you idea about that what we could uh, put. Okay, so this all I will keep in box. And yes, pencil eraser is needed for so that we can make our circle properly. So I will clean my table so that you can see it properly. Scissors is also needed. And I'm going to teach you one basket also. And for all these things, we are going to use a basic shape that is circle. Okay, yes, I'm waiting so that you all can find out material required. Okay, yes. So, yes. Okay. So, and this paper which you get with sweet boxes, and this can be used for collages, for collage making. It's amazing. Golden roses you can make out of it, and for you can even paint something. You can make bookmark and a golden base because this is a very rich golden shade we have. It's not like very glittery and shiny, very balanced golden color, and our envelope will look excellent out of it. Okay, so yes. And I can see lots of excitement. And after learning this, I'm very sure you will not throw even a single card or single colorful sheets. Okay. And we need to find out a circle, proper circle. As I told you, the diameter of this circle is 10 fingers. Four 4, 8, and 2, 10. 10 finger is the diameter. And so this will give you average size of envelope. If you will take it bigger, your envelope will be bigger. If it will be small, your envelope will be small. So according to size of your circle, your envelope will be taken. Acha, we need 3 circles for making our envelope. And each circle we are going to fold. And that's why I'm going to use this kind of paper. So here I will make the circle in the way so that the squeeze will come in center because I'm going to fold it double. So here, as the sheet is quite small, so I will keep my circle in the way that this line should come in exactly in the center of the circle. Okay? Yes. So hopefully you all are ready with your material and I want to see what you all are having in your hands. I want to see what creative stuff you have and what you are going to reuse and repurpose today. Shabash. Wedding cards. I have glossy papers. And I can see few of you are using the pieces of carry bags. and few of you are using beautiful card sheets. And yeah, very good. And I have to see, once you have the idea, then you start observing creativity all around. And as I told you, we are going to cut 3 circles. After cutting circles, if you will do pasting of cloth over it, the same envelope will become a clutch, a purse. Okay, you can actually use it as a purse with pasting of cloth. We will not go for pasting of cloth today, but yes, afterwards we can. So I think we waited for more than enough time, and we shall start as students are still joining. So 2 more minutes we'll wait, and then we will switch on. Okay. So the craft class which we are conducting every Sunday almost, how it is going to help you out. See, it will help you out 2 ways. First, it will develop your creative perception. Like earlier, the things which were just useless and you were simply discarding, now you will start observing creativity in it. And this is the time that creative artist, which is within you on sleeping mode, they will be awakened, and you will be start reusing, repurposing things around. And now, what will happen when you will start reusing and repurposing waste material? It is going to help you out 2 ways. First, best use of your time. You know, you will start doing this craft in your free time. So yes, your brain is going more creative. Secondly, you will save money. You will be able to save money. And like envelope, when we go to market, and rich envelope, if we want to purchase, a minimum amount is 20, 50, even 100 rupees. Now, if you're purchasing a royal envelope, I'm not talking about ordinary envelopes, but here you will be able to make it using waste material. And third, it will help environment, because now the things which are were going to garbage and was creating the heap of garbage, somewhere this waste is going. We need to think about we are throwing things without giving a thought that ultimately where it end up. है ना? We are so used to of writing something, then we tear the whole page, we make a ball and throw it off. What we are doing, if we calculate, suppose one child is wasting one paper a day, and if we calculate the number of paper all over the globe, है ना, it is equal to one jungle tree. Like we are cutting trees, we are grinding, we are making pulp, है ना, and then we are making paper. So if we are wasting one paper and calculate the number of paper children are wasting all over the globe, it is equal to one jungle tree, one jungle. This much tree we are wasting one single day, है ना? So your small steps are going to bring big changes. ठीक है? तो चलो, without delay, let's get started. है ना? We waited for enough time. है ना? 15 minutes we waited. Now we will start. So you can either take this kind of plain paper, है ना? Plain paper, and you can make your circle. We need 3 circles of same size. Okay, 3 circles. So you can take plain, and as on each circle, I'm going to fold from center. So I will be making my circle using this golden paper in the way that my half circle will go up and half will come down. Okay, this is the way you will be making. And for this, you can even take measurement, like how long, like this line should come in center. And so this line should come in center. So this is 7 and 14. Yeah, so it will come almost here. It is the center. This is the center. And I will simply draw a circle. This is going to be my circle where this crease will come exactly in center. Okay? You will, I think little close-up view will help you. Just a minute. Yeah. So you can see this is our, lots of shine is coming from upper side. I think white background will be better. It will be quite settled one, and you will be able to understand it better. So I will keep my background white so that you can easily understand. I will remove all extra things so that comfortably you can see how we are doing. See, so here I kept my circle. When I will fold, it will be exactly over each other. Over each other. So this way is 7 upper side, 7 lower side. We will make a circle and it should be exactly in center. Okay. Now the same ways I will be making circles in my other ones. 3 circles we want. Okay. The first we will learn this and then we will learn basket. For making gift basket also we need 2 circles. So again, you will take your second page. I will keep it on one side and simply using the top of it, I will be making my second circle, keeping my crease exactly in center. Okay? It will be exactly in center. Yeah. And same I'm going to do with my third one. We need 3 circles. Okay? And for making basket, we need 2 circles. So come on, let's do it very carefully. And keeping my this center, I will finish this. And this could be done with any kind of paper and make sure it should be just doubled. Okay. I can even cut folding it. So what will happen? Automatically, I will find it double. Okay. So this ways I have 3 circles. I will do one thing. I will cut arms so that you will be able to see it properly. I will cut and it will be comfortable for us to follow with. And these all like sheets I will keep properly. I will use it for some other purposes. And this is lovely golden color. Could be easily used for making roses and all other decorative stuff. Stars. And if you have punching machine, lovely stars could be made. Yes. This is the way you will be completing. Okay. Yeah. Nicely, you will finish your circles. Come on, with patience, you will be making it. Okay. I will remove extra arms, extra paper, so that it will look more neat and easy to understand. Okay, now here I took this, but you can definitely take drawing. If you don't have anything, then you can even use your drawing paper also, drawing sheet also. If you feel that you don't have any of the discarded paper of this kind, you can definitely try that too. So see now the only thing left with us is circles. Yes. These 3 circles we have and those who are not having, like if you feel that you don't have uh, this kind of paper, they can use this kind of paper also, this kind of wedding cards for making it. Okay. So I will show on this also so that you can understand it nicely. I will be making 3 circles here. Okay, here also. So I will show with both, like with this also and with, and now here we are having our logo. So I will shift it here so that that Ganesha which we have in front, we will not miss it. We will be able to use it. Okay, so I will make one circle here and we can go for it. So 1, 2, and one more we need. So I will see, yes, this one more I have. I will use this for making. So 3 circles I made out of it also. I will show with both, how to make it out of both, with both the I will show that. See, so we have three circles. So I will show with golden paper also, and I will show with ordinary card also. So these are three circles of equal size we have. Okay, come on. And we need to understand that what ways we can decorate it. So now for this, you can collect anything, dry flowers, dry leaves could be used for decoration, artificial flowers which we discard. And many times we get a bouquet of artificial flowers during Diwali Safai and all. We simply discard waste flowers. Those could be used, है ना? So once you know the idea, and very soon I'm going to cover up a bouquet out of tissue paper. I know how to make roses out of tissue paper. These are biodegradable, and plastic flowers we should completely replace. Okay. Yes. So can I check your circles are ready? Yes. Show me. All of you, yes, circles are ready. Now we will start cutting it. Okay. So I will show with both. I will cut it carefully, very carefully. You will cut your circles and all extra paper. You can keep on one side, and for making small elements, you can use it afterwards. So better make a box where you can keep all this kind of stuff, pista shells, and a broken jewelry, broken necklaces. Like we are going to make a gift basket also. So if you have any chain or necklace, you can use it for making handle of it. It will make it looking more beautiful and ritzy. And our one shape is this. I will cut another one also. And same I will be doing with golden. Okay, with golden, you will find golden envelope. And with this, you will find this kind of printed envelope. This is a beautiful print with traditional patterns and a wedding ceremonies. So it will support that wedding card. है ना? We want to give envelope, want to give shagin. So for that, it's perfect. This kind of print will support that look. And if you want to make it like more durable, then you can cut cloth and you can do pasting over. And you can put a clutch or a magnet and it will become a purse for your mom. Okay? So the method which I'm teaching you is very helpful, can be used in so many different ways. Okay? And very carefully, you will cut 3 circles. And now by the time when you all are doing this, I will cut my golden circles also. Okay? So it will give you idea like what kind of output you will get if you will use this and what kind of output you will get if you use golden color. So these are 3 circles ready. 3 circles are ready. Okay? And I'll cut golden also. You can go for one. I simply want to show you that how will it turn up when you are doing this ways. Okay, I will simply a circle, then another circle. Carefully you will do and make sure your line should come in center. है ना? This crease should come exactly in center. And third again. And this ways I cut golden also into circles. And with patience you will be doing it. Okay? Yeah. And this ways you can make countless envelopes. And whenever needed, ready to use. And see, such amazing color. Can you see how amazing it is going to look? And this stationery in this kind of envelope in market, it is available for uh, at least 51 rupees, at least. Because it's royal look. And if we will do pasting of something of this kind or a small logo, we will cut this, this beautiful logo, or you can make a bow, or you can put something else, contrast red or dark red color or anything else. We'll see what we could use. So these are 3 circles of equal size. Okay. And these are 3 circles again of the same size, which I cut from envelope. Okay. Yeah, wedding card. So come on, cut 3 circles very neatly and in a very clean way. Okay. And then we will learn how to assemble them. Okay. We will learn how to assemble them. And see, this kind of carry bags we normally get with Blinkit. So these handles we normally throw off now. When this paper is discarded, this handle could be used for making the handle of our gift bag. We can either use this, or we can use this kind of string, or even we can use satin ribbon. I have a beautiful satin ribbon. We can use that also. Okay? Laces or anything else. And I have lovely Ganesha's image. I will love to put this on the top. So chalo, let's get started. Shall we start? Yes? Yes? Okay, by the time when you all are doing this, I want to show few artworks of ours of junior batch. In junior batch, we have students of 7 years to 10 years. Okay? And then a very important information I will share the artworks of junior batch. It means 7 to 10 years. And because continuously in message I'm getting, see, this is the artwork, abstract art in our junior batch. Okay. And we cover up abstract art. And this is coffee painting is part of our syllabus. I will show one after another. Coffee painting, we learn, and a face study, how to draw face, different festivals and figure anatomy is part of our syllabus. And we try to cover up animal anatomy also, so that students can learn. And a festival, this is a national festival, Republic Day, abstract art, lost in the world of music, again your favorite festival, poster making, save energy, है ना? And this is Friendship Day special artwork. I will show more artworks also. Yeah, this is abstract art with this is artwork on Friendship Day, Sudama and Krishna. This is artwork we learned on Rakhi. This we learned on Independence Day. Pencil shading is also part of our syllabus in junior batch. This is painting with fingers. Yes, so that students can learn how to paint with fingers. This is Ganesh Chaturthi special artwork. This is Hindi Divas special poster making. Normally this kind of competition students have in their school and they don't know what to draw, how to. So we cover up this kind of topics also. And this is World Tourism Day. Again, this is a common topic students get in their competitions and they don't know how to draw. With step-by-step guidance, how to make figure, how to add elements around, how to color. We are covering up this kind of artworks in a junior batch. Cartoon characters are also part of it. And this is Maya Yashoda and Kanha. We did pasting of cotton to show Makhan. Mermaid to show the sea world. And this is, yes, any guesses? Yeah, this is Diwali. Okay, and our students are reporting victories after victories, not only in class level competition, but zonal level, national level, even international level, because right from beginning, we are guiding and teaching them what is complete artwork. This is impression art, and we add a meaning in impression art. You can see, then we simply personify tree, and this is impression of finger. And you will be surprised to see this. This is impression art with tissue paper. And with tissue paper, we created this jungle. This is drawing on my birthday. Okay, these are two so that you can use it for making your greeting cards, our helpers. Now, this is barber. So, this kind of syllabus, normally you have this kind of drawings. This is pen art. With pen, this landscape is created, and we learn how to mix colors. You know? So, this is butterfly drawing, and here we blend colors. Animal anatomy is part of syllabus. This is baby panther, Madhubani art, folk arts, all different kind of folk arts we cover up in our batch. This is coffee painting again. And this kind of artworks we cover up in our junior batch, in which we have students of 8 years to 10 years. Okay. Now we will return back to our work. So now ready? Can I see your three circles ready? Show me. Yeah. Great. Now you're going to take your first circle and your second circle. You will fold it from center. Fold it. And fold it from center and make your crease. Press it nicely. It should be exactly half. Okay, it should be exactly half. Yes. Fold it. This is our first task. You will fold it. Okay. So our today's story is about how children using their creativity help out one helper. So this is story of an apartment where Ramu Kaka, who was a watchman of the society, he was also living. He was living in very close distance, walking distance of this building. And this Ramu Kaka, everyone was calling Ramu Kaka because he was very kind-hearted, soft-spoken, supportive, helpful, and respectful to everyone. So, did you have you done this? Now your third circle you will fold, and you're going to fold it one more time. Fold it one more time. Yes. You will fold it one more time, and here you will cut exactly center. Now you're going to take exactly center and you will cut it this way. So your one circle is half and your two circles are complete. Come on, cut it half. And as I told you, if you feel like to make it durable purse, then you can do pasting of cloth over. Okay, any colorful, shiny, glittery, shimmer cloths. So now we have two circles, they are round, we simply fold. And this we cut in two parts. You know, this circle we cut in two parts. Now the most important thing is how we are going to assemble it. Okay? Yes. Yes. So this is the way it is done. Come on, do it very carefully. Okay? And you will see like no difficult fold is needed, nothing. Simply three circles, as big as you want, as small as you want. If you want to make a chutkusa envelope, है ना? So you can cut small circles and you will find small tiny envelopes. And if you want to make little bigger one, then you can cut your circle big and you will find a bigger one. Making big envelopes, you can make folders. And if you have a very big paper, you can make folders using this technique. Okay, shall we start? Yeah. And I have this beautiful red color also, which I will be using for something amazing. Where is my red card? After some interval, I will show the artworks of pre-junior batch also, like a pre-junior batch in which we have students of 3.5 to 7 years old. All the beginners. Okay. Yes. So now what we will be doing, we will simply, this red envelope we have now, this we are going to use because on golden, if we will put our Ganesha directly, I think it will not turn up well. Now what you will do, you will keep your one circle this way. I will remove everything so that you can clearly see one circle. This open side will go upper side and this side will come on your side. Come on, do it. And now you're going to take your two circles. First assemble so that you can understand. This join part. See, this is open part, this is joint part. And this is straight. Here it is curved. This will go inside like this. Here, absolutely straight. And same you're going to do, the join part will go outside and it will come this ways. Okay, this is the way the shape will come. है ना? You can either go inside and you can even, if you feel that you want to come outside, you can put it outside also. It's completely your choice, but I think inside it will look better. है ना? Come on. So let's do its pasting. And for this, what we will do, we will simply mark a line. You will hold it straight. It should be straight. If it will be diagonal like this now, so it will, and I will show the complete output also. After this, yeah, this is going to be your arrangement. So see, such lovely pattern we find, right? So chalo, let's do it. So for this, I will open my Fevicol and I will take help of earbud. I will open my circle and I will start applying. On circle, you will apply it, okay? You will apply it nicely, especially on sides. On sides, you will be applying it nicely. Here also, okay? Very carefully, you will apply Fevicol. My Fevicol is quite strong. And don't forget on corners, you will go nicely. And very carefully, you will keep your, first apply Fevicol. And then very carefully, you will keep it this way. Straight here, straight here. Okay, and you will keep a gap, and you will not press it too much. Otherwise, both the sides of envelope will get pasted because we did pasting Fevicol on both the sides. So you will simply keep it open and you will press it from here. You will press it nicely. Okay, we applied Fevicol where it is going to get pasted with each other. Yeah, this is the way you will be doing it. And make sure this part should be absolutely straight, not diagonal or nothing else, because our cover will come this ways. Our cover will come this ways. Okay? Yeah. So come on, do it nicely. And using two circles only, we will be making our gift basket. Okay, again, you can staple it and you can put anything, a small tiny gift you can keep, or shagan, like if you want to give a coin or something else, you can. And can you see that waste golden paper? Now we will get. And make sure you will press and your both the sides should not get pasted. That's why we apply only on this part. Okay, come on and do its pasting neatly. And this is the lower part ready. Okay, and I have this beautiful like work which I can do pasting of, or we can even cut that particular colorful circle from wedding card. Okay, and we can go for it. And as I told you, if you want to make it more durable, in that case, you can do pasting of cloth also. And you can cut circle of ordinary cardboard and you can nicely, you will be doing its pasting this ways. Okay, yeah. And now what we will do, we will take our third. Have you done? Yes, show me now how it turn up. Make sure it should not get pasted with each other. Otherwise, where you will put money. So it should be like this. But make sure that both the side, those half circles should be pasted nicely. But you will not paste it from center. Otherwise, okay. Yes, nicely do this. And after this, I want to check. Will you be able to show me how it's looking? Yes, perfect. Now we will take your last circle. And you are going to take your last circle and I will put some weight over. These are two sides. Now the half of the side I will put Fevicol. Half I will leave open. Okay? Yeah. So see, this is the way you will do pasting here. And this will go back side of it. It will go back side of it and it will be front. Okay, come on, do this. So back side it will be pasted and front side we have its flap which can open and your shagun money can go inside or any other thing you want, you can. Come on, do this. Okay, and just for pasting, you can either do pasting with sellotape or Fevicol, or if you want to use double-sided tape, you can simply put a stripe of double-sided tape. Whenever needed, you can remove its wrapper and you can do its pasting. Okay, this you can do. So see, I will press it nicely so that the envelope will get settled, and with because of its golden color, it is looking so rich and royal. Okay, yeah. Your envelope is ready. Okay, so here you can see this is your envelope. We'll press it nicely so that the pasting could happen beautifully. And that old way, that paper which we were thinking is absolutely useless, such amazing envelope is ready. You can see when you open, it's looking so colorful. And you can put something here also for making it looking decorative. And double-sided tape, if you will put here, so it will be ready to close, or you can do pasting with cotton or sellotape. And I'm going to put it here on the top. It's a beauty Lord Ganesha's image. And I want to put it here nicely. Okay. And golden in itself is a beautiful color. If you're using white color, so you can put some polka dots, you can make some self patterns, and you make anything for making your, or you can cut shapes if you have punching machines or without punching machine also. And you can simply do its pasting, and this is your envelope ready. I will do pasting of this also. So let's first put little of a small piece of this I will put here. Now, this is double-sided tape. So whenever needed, I will simply peel it out and it will be pasted. And over this here, I will be doing pasting of this Ganesha. I have so many things which could be pasted. We can take it out from somewhere. It is too big. So it will not come for big envelopes. It is perfect. I will simply use this. And if you feel you want to put a flower, if you feel that you want to make a flower yourself, if you feel you have a stone, anything available could be used here. And if you feel that you want to put this kind of stone here, you can. And a broken piece from jewelry, you can try. Anything could be tried here for adding glittery look. Peacock feather, if you want to use peacock feather, you can use peacock feather also. You'll see it is looking great. I think we shall go for this. So when you will see in your treasure box, you will start finding out amazing things in it and you can use it. Okay? So before throwing it off, you can think about how we can use it. And see here, we put double-sided tape also. So whenever it is ready to use now, you can put your money inside. You can peel its wrapper. It will be pasted. And last but not the least, we will put the small, tiny material. This was like I simply peel it out from one wedding card only, so that we can use it afterwards. And see, today we are going to use it. So nothing is waste for us. If you have some pista shells, you can decorate your envelope with pista shells as well. Okay? And your beautiful envelope is ready. Okay? And see, I will press it for a little time so that it will get pasted nicely. And no difficult folds, nothing, just 3 circles, assemble, envelope is ready. Okay. And if you're using this kind of, suppose your wedding card is having text. So text wala part you can keep inside. When you will fold now, so it will go inside and it will be covered up. Yes. See. So now onwards, no purchasing from market for envelope. And as I told you, if your paper is strong enough or you are doing pasting on of cloth, so it is a small smart clutch. And you can make of matching sari. So you can the material left in while making blouse, you can simply do pasting over and you can make your matching purse for each sari using this method. You know? So this ways it is very helpful and beautiful technique for making your clutches. And your envelope is ready. Is it difficult? Is it difficult? Easy now? है ना? And now you are going to reuse each and every card. You will reuse each and every colorful thing which you find it's durable and one envelope could be made, right? Yes. And once you have idea, you will start observing creativity all around. And you will start observing waste stuff as you will start observing creativity in waste. Like it could be used here or there. And see, it this particular like badge I peel out from something somewhere I don't remember. You know, at the place of throwing, I simply collected it. So today, see, we are using it. You know? Yes. And if I will peel it, see, if I want to lock it, I will peel its label. This is double-sided tape. Money will go inside. Suppose this is money, I will keep money inside. I will do its pasting, and your envelope is ready to go. It's so beautiful and so amazing. And you can even put something or small, any other thing here, or this kind of some beautiful piece of here, and you can write your message here, right? So this is the way we completed our envelope, and using two circles, we will learn how we can make a lovely gift basket. Okay? I will be doing pasting of this in front. You can cut out your this kind of circles. This circle is quite big. Okay, and here you can write with best compliment or whatever. Okay? Your envelope is ready. So this is our first reuse of stuff, and this golden paper normally it goes in garbage, and see the envelope is looking so rich out of it. Okay, and now we are going to learn gift basket. Okay, again using two circles. Okay, yes, all of you finish this. Show me your envelope, how it turned out. है ना? And yeah, अरे वाह, so amazing. And I'm so happy to see the things you used. And a peacock feather you can use for decorating your envelope. Stars you can use, stones you can use, pista shells you can use, dry flowers you can use, artificial flowers you can use, anything, laces you can use. So wonderful, so amazing. Now let's learn gift basket. So we will keep this lovely envelope on one side. And as I told you, this could be used for making clutches and purses of saris matching. Okay? You simply need a small piece of that sari or some like patterns of that sari, and you can create matching clutches. So now we will take two circles and we will make a gift basket. Okay, gift basket. Suppose this is my gift. I want to give this gift, or this is a coin or something else. So these two circles, we will cut two circles again. And by the time when you all are cutting two circles, I will show the artworks of junior batch. In junior batch, we have children of 3.5 years to 7 years. Okay, all the beginners. And what kind of artworks we are covering up in pre-junior batch, I will love to show. Okay? And it will give you idea that what is a teaching method, and it was like highly demanded, like please show so that we can know about. So see, this is a pre-junior batch where I cute little artists, they are learning using shapes, alphabets and numbers. Yeah, teaching methodology is using letters, numbers, alphabets. We teach basic shapes in junior batch also, senior batch also, and pre-junior batch also. So we teach different kind of flowers. Yes, flower anatomy because students need it for making diagrams. है ना? We cover up important festivals. This is pre-junior batch artwork. Okay. where we have very cute little artists of 3.5 years onwards. This is Lori, okay? And this is Shivratri special artwork, landscape. We cover up landscapes also. We cover up different flowers and a national symbol they have in their syllables. And this is on World Zebra Day, we covered up this artwork. Important days, important festivals, we cover up. And using geometric shape, we used this Sea World, unity in diversity, and our cute little artists, they created wonderfully. And this, they wanted to gift a card on Valentine Day. So this card they learn on Valentine Day. And this kind of drawings could be used for making anniversary card, right? Panthers, we cover up different wild animals. So baby panther, and this is message of peace using two circles like we completed. And this is a landscape again, different kind of houses, kacha house, pakka house. This also we try to cover. And a bunch of this kind of creatures also we cover. Our helpers, kind of different drawings of our helpers with step-by-step guidance. How with pasting of leaves, beautiful artwork could be created. This is leaf art. My dream house. This is chocolate and ice cream house. My garden. Your dental care. This is a poster making. Yes, we cover up poster makings also in pre-junior batch, in which we have students of 3.5 to 5. This is again a national symbol. That's why you can see tricolor background. Peacock. This is a junior batch artwork, not pre-junior. Life before internet. Junior batch artwork it is. Landscapes, finger impression art we teach in pre-junior batch also. And modes of transport, ship, aeroplane, train, and all we try to cover up. Our helpers, and these are the kind of artworks we cover up. So hopefully you all are ready with your two circles. Yes? Ready? Are you ready? Okay, you need little more time. Okay. Now I will request all of you, by the time when you all are cutting these circles, I will request all of you to call your moms or whoever is elder, so that very important, the announcement of the year, I can say, I can make. Please call your mom or dad or whoever is elder at home. Yes, I will request my team member to share the screen where all can see the offer. Yes, we will wait so that all moms can come, and all of you, please call your elders, mom. Yes, my team member, I will request you to share the screen. Yes, so here I wanted to tell you about this offer, and we come up with this kind of offers in a big span of time on very high demand of parents. And this kind of offers are specially for those who want to learn for long run. And this kind of offers help them learning for long term without burden on their pockets. Here you can see in this complete offer, this is yearly plan. Normally this yearly plan is of 12,000. And but here discount of more than 50% you're getting here. Okay, so this is very beneficial, and especially for those who want to learn for long run. So you can take benefit of it, although it expired yesterday only, it was till 28th. And but on very high demand of parents, like many parents are requesting yet, so till today it is on. After today, after this, it will expire. Okay, and we will get started with new artwork tomorrow. So those who want to uh, enjoy this lovely offer and want to go for long-term plans, they can take benefit of it. Today is the last day. We extended it for once extra day on very high demand of parents. Thank you so much. And now we will return back to our work. Okay. So these are two circles. These are two circles. Now what we will do, we will fold it half. Okay, we will fold it half. And here I'm using this ordinary color, but if you want to use golden only, with golden it will turn up very well. Hai na? So I will fold it half like this. And you will press it nicely so that you will find deep impression. Now you will arrange it in heart shape. Okay, fold it half. Come on. And you will keep your like join part here, open part inside, and facing each other. You will join like this. We will definitely come up with a portable album. है ना? Yes, so now see, this is the way we have. Fold it. Come on, do this. And now see how you're going to assemble. You will make it look like a heart. Like this line we have now here, this line should come. See. Yes. And I see like this. If you take like this, it is standing line and it is a heart-shaped basket ready. So we will do its pasting and its complete shape is like heart. And we will put a handle and a beautiful heart-shaped basket will be ready. It could be used for gifting money also. If you want to put money, you can staple or you can do pasting and you can. So chalo, let's do pasting of it. है ना? So what you're going to do, you will simply open one side and you will simply go like this. You will turn and same you're going to do this side. Okay, you can first assemble and very carefully you will do its pasting till corner and you will press it for a little more time. And I'm looking where I can use my this very big circle. I think I will use it some other time. Yes. So this kind of shape you will find. And now two handles. So you can either use two decorative bangles for making its handle, or you can take out a handle from carry bags. If you have jewelry, if you have necklaces and all, something of this kind, that will look amazing for making its handle and will add a very creative and royal look to the basket. Okay, so handle you can make in your own ways. And if you have this kind of discarded bangles, we can even put bangles also for making handles, this kind of bangles also. You can use that also. But I will be using very ordinary and common thing, and that is, yes, we will simply take out the handle from it and we will do its pasting here. Okay? So you will take out handle from carry bag and these are quite durable. So that's why I decided to use it only. So we will use it and we can put a bow or we can put some glitter or any other thing for and do its pasting nicely. So see, I think two are not needed. One is enough. With one, two handles will be done. Or if you feel that bigger one you want to keep, so I will take out both of these and we'll do its pasting nicely. So let's paste it nicely and the handles will be ready. So this way is my old tiered, this will be used. So what I will do now, I will simply do its pasting using sellotape. You can use sellotape and do its pasting inside. Okay? Yes, and see, because of this very beautiful jute kind of effect, it will look great. So I will take out my sellotape or double-sided tape, whatever you want to use. Double-sided tape could also be used, है ना? So I will simply use double-sided tape I will use, which will immediately paste it nicely. Okay, so yes, one side I will not peel and I will simply place it here for doing its pasting. Okay. And you can even use your sellotape or Fevicol, whatever you feel you is comfortable for you. With sellotape also you can do its pasting. Okay, so see, this double-sided tape is sticky from one side, it's non-sticky. So I will use this inside and do pasting like this. Same you're going to do this ways here also. And your lovely bag will be ready. Okay, again, I will cut a small piece of double-sided tape. You can use sellotape. You would be having sellotape available. And I will keep both the handles of equal size, so that it will look beautiful and easy to carry and easy to keep your flower. Suppose you want to gift a rose flower. Suppose you want to gift a rose flower to someone. So you can, if you will keep your rose flower in this kind of basket, it will look more appealing. Yes. So presentable, how presentable your gift is, it is very important. And here is your basket with lovely handles. Press it nicely. And now something we need to decorate the front. And you can either use some flowers, you can use anything else, some artificial flowers could be used for it, and we can decorate it. Even some clay work could be done. I have a beautiful red flower, discarded flower. I will use that only for it. It's a lovely flower, artificial flower. Many times we find it. So I will simply put it here on the top. Then a very simple and plain, and you can even make a bunch of flowers or many times the brooches and this kind of things we have. So you can even try that also. Okay. So here we will do its pasting. You can do its pasting on one side also so that you can write something. If you want to make a bow, you can put a bow over of pink color, anything. Like it's completely your choice what ways you want to make it looking extraordinary and lovely. So I will simply do its pasting this ways. My Fevicol is quite strong. So wait for a little time and everything get pasted. And this is our gift bag ready. And if you would have used golden color here, it would have turned amazingly. Okay? So see, this ways we used a waste flower and a small gift basket is ready. You can put any gift. If you want to give chocolate, suppose you want to give chocolates as return gift, you can make this kind of bags. Simply a rose, you can try this bag. And a planter, small tiny planter, you can. So it can be as big as you want, it can be as small as you want. If your size of circle will be bigger, you will find it's this basket bigger. And suppose you want to make a bouquet, like we are going to learn bouquet, that time we will use this basket. I will teach you flowers with tissue paper. Very soon we will be conducting this class so that you will not rush to market and lovely roses could be created using tissue paper. Okay? So all those tissue paper flowers we will assemble in this kind of basket and it will be ready to give. Okay? So we learned these two beautiful crafts today, and I will request all the moms to be with us so that we can have their feedback. And yes, acha, one more thing about offer. Those who want to take benefit of offer, they can contact on this number. They can WhatsApp or contact on this number. This offer we extend on very high demand of parents till today, although it got expired yesterday only, but after today we will wind it up. Okay, and these are efforts so that students, those who want to learn for long run, they can learn without burdening their pockets. So because of this only we come up with this kind of offer so that long term those who want to learn, they can be in tune. So you can contact on this number. And now I will request my team member to unmute parents one after another so then we can talk. So, moms, please stay tuned so that we can have your feedback. Yes. I can see. Yes, ma'am, please try to unmute yourself. Crizal, Crizal, please try to unmute yourself. Then we will come on. Yes. Hello, ma'am.
Hi.
Hello, ma'am. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good. Thank you so much. Ma'am, please do share your feedback.
Yeah, this class was wonderful. We joined for the drawing actually, and this is
Okay.
the first time I joined here for this art class. The drawing
Okay.
class has also been very wonderful. I mean, she's 5 years old. You've been very patient, very slow, so she can do things by herself. So she's
Wow.
having fun in this class.
Okay. Okay. So are you satisfied with the way she's learning and growing?
Yes, very much. She's
Okay. That's
enjoying her
amazing.
time.
Thank you. Thank you so much. And are you enjoying, Crizal? Yes?
Yes.
Huh? Okay. And you enjoyed today's craft class also?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, because this is time when we need to reuse things to save environment, है ना? Yes. Thank you so much, ma'am. And please do share the craft in hand of child.
Yes, definitely.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you. Hello. I will request other moms also to be with us so that we all can talk, we can have your feedback, and yes. Hello, ma'am. Please try to unmute yourself. Hello, ma'am. Yes. Am I audible? Yes. Yes. Am I audible, ma'am? Ma'am, please try to unmute yourself. I will request moms to unmute themselves so that we can talk and we can know their feedback. Hello, hello. Yes, you are audible now. Yes. Hello, ma'am.
Miss Khushbu, you're audible now.
Yes. And Aisha, I will request you to call out the names so that they can understand their spotlight. Okay? Yes. Ma'am, please try to unmute yourself and please share your valuable feedback.
Hello.
Hello.
Actually, there was some setting from your side, so we couldn't unmute, though we were trying to from our side.
Okay. So now I'm able to hear you, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yeah, ma'am, please share your feedback. How was the class and what ways you find it useful for children?
So the session was nice. It was quite interesting.
Okay.
And yeah, you took it quite patiently, which is very good on your part and for the child as well.
Okay. Ma'am, please do share your feedback on WhatsApp as well.
Sure. And ma'am, one more query I have. Actually, I've enrolled in this class because my basic purpose is to make him learn how to draw. Basically, drawing is the purpose.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So yes, ma'am, in our each class, we are teaching drawing as well as coloring. There is no class where we are using something printed. We teach and guide them how to draw first. All the artworks which
Sure.
I showed in class, we learn how to draw and then
Okay.
color. Yeah.
Okay.
We draw ourselves. We don't use printed paper. We teach all different kind of anatomies as I showed, like pre-junior and junior batch artwork we showed. So these we taught them how to draw and then how to color. So drawing and coloring both we are covering.
Okay, perfect. I'll
Thank
share my
yeah, ma'am. Sure, please do share your feedback. And
Yes.
thank you so much. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you. Yes, I will request all the other moms also, those who are spotlight. Please try to unmute yourself so that we can have feedback of yours. Yeah.
In front of you.
Yes, yes. I can hear you. Hello, sir. How are you?
Hello, ma'am. Doing good. How are you?
I'm good. Thank you so much, sir.
Can we
So,
make
yeah,
this?
so
Wow,
this one
very
Tanush
good.
has made. Yeah.
Very nice.
So,
Colorful it is. And
so, ma'am,
neatly.
so ma'am, Tanush is in junior batch, and from last couple of weeks, it's like a mixed type of activities. Sometimes sand art, sometimes that coffee printing, coffee drawing like that. So we want to concentrate on drawing mainly, hand arts, coloring, and sketching skills. So
Yeah. So see the reason behind covering up of all these artworks, these are we cover up just once a week, once a month, or sometimes once in 2 months. And this is just to enhance their creativity, but actually we basically focus on drawing and coloring only. You must have seen the artworks which I showed you during class. There you must have seen the figures, faces, all we teach, and this kind of activities we keep conducting, which they enhance and build the interest level of children. They start observing creativity all around, and coffee painting is actually kind of watercolor painting. The only difference, we use natural color at place of our synthetic color or chemical color. We use natural color, but as watercolor is also part of our syllabus, how to use watercolors, what steps you need to follow, so we taught them using natural color, which is available in our kitchen. But that is actually watercolor painting, which is part of our syllabus. So it's not like we only focus on this, but this kind of things we add because these are very helpful in so many ways. Like when students do work with watercolors, they are getting understanding with watercolors, and like when will get promoted to senior batch, they will be comfortable. They will be having understanding with watercolors. So it's not like we are going to teach only this kind of things. Basically, it is drawing and coloring only. But in 2 months or in a month, just once we cover up this kind of artwork so that students can learn much more than drawing and coloring. The reason behind
okay,
this is this
do
only.
do we have any plan for this batch, ma'am? What all things we are going to
Yeah.
cover in
Yes,
the
we
next?
have complete plan ready. I will tell my team to float it so that you can
Yeah.
see. We are going to cover up still life. We are going to cover up anatomy and different color mediums for sure. We cover up because in many schools they have foundation like watercolors they need to use. In many competition, it is clearly mentioned that only with watercolors you are going to do. So just to make them comfortable with all color mediums, so that when they will get promoted, they will be comfortable with that. We are using them, and yet, yes, this is a fun. Students love to use watercolors. The impression art and all will make them understand that there is creativity all around. But basically, it is drawing and
And
painting.
okay, so apart of this one, maybe you can share that other programs, curriculum, and also so that we can get that which one is best fit for us.
See, we plan our 1 month, like next month's complete syllabus before. So we don't go for yearly one, but yes, month plan we can definitely share. You can go
Okay.
through it, and we try to keep watch that menu
Mm.
because many students are preparing for primary level elementary exams. So we try to cover up some questions from there also. And
No,
we keep eye over important days, important topics which are given around by organizers in competitions. So keeping all these things and the kind of diagrams students are having in syllabus. So our complete package is all in one actually.
no, actually, for us, we are looking for drawing and painting and sketch art. So that is
So
our
for
Okay.
need.
that,
Yeah.
So
okay, sir, for that, I'm from RGO's team only. For that, you can
yes.
WhatsApp us if you want to learn something specific. We have our shop where you can actually buy the tutorials of exactly what you want to learn. So if you're interested to learn only drawing and painting, you can actually buy our courses from there. So you can just WhatsApp us on our team number, and you'll be able to get that. Or you can just Google search Art Geo Shop and you'll be able to find our website from where you can buy specific tutorials that you want to buy.
So live classes are not available for that?
Live classes are available in the form of mix because we are teaching them multimedia. So all, just like ma'am explained, all the color mediums will be covered in live classes. But all these live classes we have in the form of recorded sessions also, and they are available at 50% off price on our website, because these are recorded sessions, so you can buy them anytime, and you can also select specific artworks that you want to learn. You can buy it from there.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you
Thank you
so
so
much.
much.
Thank you so much, sir. Yes, I will request other moms also to unmute them.
Hello, ma'am.
Hello, hello. How are you?
I'm good, thank you, ma'am. This session was really interesting for the kids. I was walking around and seeing them do it. I actually enrolled my younger one, who's 6 years now. He was enrolled last week into your art classes, and he has hardly attended 2 sessions. I really did not see patience in him doing this activity. However, my elder kids, they really enjoyed the session. One is 10 year, the other one is 8 year, and they enjoyed it, and they had the patience to do this activity actually. And
Ma'am, slowly and gradually, you will observe that the patience level is increasing in your younger one also.
yes, I really want to see that.
Actually, this is energy. Like we feel irritated many times, but this is that level of energy they are blessed with, and we are trying to channelize it with patience. It will take time, but for sure it will happen. This is
Yes, I
experience.
totally
Yeah.
understand. I really want to put my elder one also into the session. But
Okay.
this being, as you mentioned, this being exam season, I don't want to put them in this month. I came to know this class last week only. I just enrolled my younger one, so
Okay.
I'm planning to do it after the exams. If
Yeah.
we have some offer during that time, it will be really helpful for us.
Yeah, for sure, because this is again one demand from many of the parents. So we will definitely consider. And although this offer, which was the greatest offer, which is going to expire today, but we will see and we will come up definitely for this kind of courses which can help out kids to learn for long term without like economic burden. Because this is again one thing which we need to consider. And yes, after exams also, hopefully you will be we will try to avail this kind of offers for sure.
Thank
And
you.
don't worry about your younger one. This is energy which he's blessed with, and for sure you will see slowly. That's why we are sharing story also, and different kind of art forms we are picking up, because it is a fun for them. And
Yeah.
if you simply go sometimes with coffee, sometimes with pasting some leaves, so their broader perspective, for that creative perspective open, they start observing creativity in leaves also, in grass also, in coffee also. So our reason behind making a syllabus of this kind is this only, so that students' overall creativity could be developed. So yes, don't worry, ma'am. We will try our level best to see that what ways we can cooperate you for long-term plan with
Thank
beautiful offers. Thank you so much, ma'am. I will
Hello, ma'am.
request. Hello, ma'am. How are you?
Yeah, I'm good. How are you, ma'am?
I'm good. Thank you so
Okay,
much.
so Kimaya wanted to show her artwork.
Arey wow, it's so amazing. Now, no envelope you will purchase from market. It's quite better than that.
Yeah, she already mentioned that she will ask her grandmoms as well to not to throw those cards, and she will make envelopes for all
W-
the occasions.
Wow, this is actually the beginning of changing the environment. And
Yeah, yeah.
yeah, like
Yeah,
and
so
this.
thanks a lot, ma'am, for that. So I would like to mention that Kimaya was part of the pre-junior batch earlier, and because of schools and other classes, she was not able to continue. But this month, she has joined the junior batch again. And
Acha.
this is the first time she has enrolled for the junior batch. But the changes I have seen in her, it is drastically different after joining your class. So last year, I would like to mention last year she has received 2 awards for the drawing. I'll share the pics as well with you on the WhatsApp. So her
Yeah.
drawing it's very clear, neat and clean, and she's following all your suggestions, background coloring, and all the techniques. So we are really happy with that. It's just that because of the school timings and all, we are not able to continue. But as currently she has a session break, so she asked me to rejoin the class, and she's really enjoying that.
That's really amazing, ma'am. Please do share your feedback on WhatsApp also, because
Yeah,
it will help clearing the doubt of many other parents, like how children will be able to learn online, and will they be able to, like, that interest level will somewhere not be a teacher, like many queries about online class. So your suggestions and your feedback will definitely help all the parents to clearing their doubts. Thank you so much, ma'am.
and ma'am, her speed has also increased. Like she is matching with your speed now. Like
Yeah.
sometimes you mention that, right? That you give time because other kids are not able to complete the artwork. But
Yeah.
she is matching with your speed, and she is with you all the time. So we are really happy. She's enjoying the
Yeah.
stories as well. So thanks
Wow.
a lot for that.
Thank you so much. And this all is because of devoted efforts of child and
Yeah,
practice and all. And if she's able to match with my speed, she's absolutely ready for competitions. So
yeah,
please start searching for competitions. If any competition in school, let her participate so that she can grow amazingly. Thank you.
yeah. Thanks a
Thank you
lot.
so much. And I can see lovely drawing. It's beautiful. And please do share it on my WhatsApp number. It's available in description. I will love
Yes,
to share my feedback. Thank you so
sure.
much, ma'am.
Thank
Thank
you.
you. Thank you. You did excellent work, my dear.
हेलो
Thank you.
मैम
Hello.
गुड
How are you,
आफ्टरनून
ma'am? Good afternoon, ma'am.
ये इसने चॉकलेट आपके लिए किया है ये चॉकलेट चलो
Arey, thank you
आपके
so
लिए
much.
चॉकलेट ये लीजिए यहाँ से ही
थैंक यू सो मच. आपने मुझे भेज दी और मैंने इसको ले लिया. आपका ये हार्ट, आपका ये जेस्चर ही मेरे लिए बहुत बड़ी ब्लेसिंग्स है. और लास्ट टाइम भी आपने
अन्नी
बहुत अच्छा बनाया था. आज अपनी क्लास को एंजॉय किया? यस.
यस मैम यस
यस.
और
ओके.
उसको अभी ये ना वेस्ट से बेस्ट करने की बहुत आदत लग रही है और
हाँ.
एक भी छुट्टी ऐसी जाती नहीं है उसकी कि वो बनाती नहीं है कुछ तो क्राफ्ट करती रहती है
बस
हर
ये
सैटरडे संडे
अगर हमारे बच्चे इस चीज के लिए रेडी हो गए तो बिलीव मी कि ये जो हीप्स ऑफ गार्बेज क्रिएट करे हैं हम जैसे एज के लोगों ने, ये बच्चे
यस
उस पर जरूर वर्क कर पाएंगे. और इसी कोशिश के साथ हमारी संडे की क्लास है कि बच्चे चीजों को रीपर्पस करें और एनवायरमेंट की हेल्प करें. थैंक यू सो मच, मैम. थैंक यू. I will request other moms also to unmute them.
Hello,
Yes.
ma'am. Good afternoon.
Hello. Good afternoon. How are you?
Lucknow, Uttar Pradesh.
Acha.
Actually, my daughter is studying in class 4. She's 10 years old now, and she's too much interested in making the crafts.
Okay.
Actually, I was following you on the Facebook, and there were so many drawing tutorials. I want to join that, but due to some academic sessions, I could not. But they are 4-5 months available. She can learn
Yeah.
so much from you.
Yes.
I'm interested in drawing, sketching, and craft also.
Yeah. See,
Is there
craft,
combo classes there?
like craft, though we conduct this ways weekend, like this is a free session. And yes, one more thing I want to tell to all of you, you can invite your friends, relatives, neighbors, cousins, school friends, everyone to this craft session, because this is a mission actually. It is a collective mission where students will be ready to reuse and repurpose trash. So you can invite everyone, and we have this once a week. And many times we have other class also on few Sundays, but otherwise every Sunday we have craft class. In routine days, we learn drawing and coloring both.
Okay, I'm
Yeah.
interested. Please send me the message how to join.
Yeah, sure. This is the number I showed you. And this is 701 799 7836. And on this number you can contact for enrollment.
Okay. Actually, WhatsApp messages are coming. That number we are available there. I think so.
Acha, you can contact on this number.
Okay, ma'am. Please repeat your number.
Yes, the number is 701
701.
799
Yes.
7836.
7836.
Yeah, Ayushi.
Okay, ma'am. One question. You belong to which state?
We are from Agra.
Okay, Andhra Pradesh. Okay.
Nee, Agra, city of
Agra.
Taj.
Okay, the same UP. Okay,
Yes,
okay.
we are also from UP.
It's a privilege. Okay, thank
Thank you
you.
so much, ma'am. And please do share your feedback on WhatsApp, ma'am.
Okay, okay.
Thank you so much. Thank you. I'll request other moms also to unmute them so that we can talk. Try to unmute yourself.
Hi, Janvi, you are unmuted.
Hello, ma'am. Good
Hello.
afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am. How are you?
Yes, ma'am. Good here.
Yes.
Ma'am, this session was just a lovely session, ma'am. Janvi loved a lot. And in her school, there will be a competition like best out of waste. This is the best, lovely idea you have given.
And I can see so neatly and perfectly she completed, and I think she pasted something on the top. Even the basket is looking great. Very neat and perfect. Ma'am, are you happy with this kind of sessions we are conducting?
Yes, ma'am. I'm very, very happy. And she'll be in just 15 days. Her summer vacations will be going to start. So she's on 15th of March. She's just joining your classes back, ma'am.
Okay, welcome. Welcome,
Please.
Janvi. Pleasure to have you. Yeah.
Thank you so much for making us the part of this session, ma'am.
Thank you so much for being the part of family. See, this is a mission. I take these classes as mission because these are extremely creative and blessed children. The only thing needed is nurturing that basic creativity. And their future, and I'm very sure future is in very safe hands, and they are going to make this planet a better place to live in. Thank you so much. Ma'am, please do share your feedback on WhatsApp also.
Sure. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you. I will request other moms also to unmute them so that we can talk to maximum of you. I can see this cute, colorful basket in hands of... Yes, try to unmute yourself.
Hi.
Hello, I
Thank
can
you
see this
very much, ma'am.
beautiful, colorful basket in your hand. Wow.
She's very much interested in craft, and like it was a cherry on the cake from your side. We learned very much.
Even the work is so neatly and perfectly done. Very good, my dear. And even your envelope, show your envelope also.
Yes, ma'am.
Wow, very neat and perfect pasting. It's looking so amazing. Okay, so now no purchasing of envelopes from market. You will reuse all your cards. Okay.
Ma'am, look, I added some extra
Yes, yes,
statements also, which I
yes. I
highlighted.
can see, and believe me, it is making it looking like a cherry on the top. Your mom told, na? It's making it looking so amazing. This is the strength of children. Once they have the basic idea, they add on so many things and create masterpieces. Wonderful. Ma'am,
Ma'am, may I know the pre-junior classes also? May I know something about the pre-junior? The younger one is around, like he has completed 3.
3. Okay, he's too
Okay.
young. Your younger one is too
Yeah.
young because
Okay.
at least 3.5 years, like he's too young, won't be able to cope up with the class. 3.5, like
Fine.
so we have students of 3.5 years old.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Okay,
So she
thank you.
will be inshallah enrolling after exams.
Yeah,
So
for sure.
planning good.
Yes.
Thank
So
you, ma'am. Thank
many,
you, sir.
so many lovely artists. They are getting connected, and our family is increasing and expanding day by day. I'm very thankful and grateful to Almighty God. And see, together, like we will change the world. Yes, our work is really great. And ma'am, please do share your feedback on WhatsApp.
Miss Pallavi Gupta, please unmute yourself. We are trying to unmute you.
Yes. Pallavi Gupta.
Yes, ma'am.
Hello, ma'am. How are you?
I'm good, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Please do share your feedback. What is your experience in today's class?
Ma'am, it was very good. My daughter, she really enjoyed it.
And see the great work I can see in hands. And amazingly, like extra efforts for making the basket looking so amazing. Wonderful. Wonderful. Great.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
yeah, I
yeah.
just wanted to know, like, right now her exams are going on. She cannot join. So, do you have any other months to join these kind of sessions?
This kind of?
like classes in other month? Because this month she cannot join.
Yeah, you can whenever you feel child is comfortable, you can join that time also. Do you want to ask that you want to purchase the offer, but you will start after 1 month? Do you want to ask this?
Yeah, ma'am, this kind of offer will be not sustained in next month.
See, we will discuss. I will definitely have word with my team, as this is very high demand of many moms. So we will definitely try to find out some solution, and we'll try to come up with things. But recently, like, the offer will get expired today, and you can talk to my team. Either this could happen, or that you can take the offer and then you can get it on after 1 month. This could happen.
Hello,
You can,
ma'am.
yeah.
So, ma'am, all those parents who are interested to go on with this offer, because today is the last date, it would not be available after that. So, you can either enroll now and you can start your classes later also. We have this option available. And for all the enrolled students, if they already have their ongoing plan, they can buy the offer. And this 1 year would be added when their current plan gets expired. So this is how it can be done. And later on, whenever you join, we might have, like, you can buy the offer which would be going on at that time. So you can go on accordingly.
Yeah.
Mhm.
Okay.
Ma'am, actually, I don't know about you. I don't know how come you connected with me in my this number and my WhatsApp number. That I just wanted to know how come you know my number.
Yes, Ayushi?
Ma'am, actually, we are running our ads, and people who are booking the demo class on that, from there we are getting the numbers. So most probably you must have registered for our demo class, or you must have shown on any interest, or you must have left your number, because we parents share their numbers with us or they message us, and that is how we get their numbers.
Okay. But actually, myself, I am also artist. So I never show any kind of interest anywhere, but it's good to get connected with another artist. But I'm surprised to, like, because here I can see my other friends, they are also connected. So that's why I joined this group. I said, okay, let's find out what is, what they're teaching them. So,
Okay. Thank you so much, ma'am. And please do share your feedback on WhatsApp.
so I'll do that. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Thank you. I will request other moms also to unmute themselves. Yes, I can see you are raising hands. We will try to unmute you too. Okay, wait for a little while.
Hello,
Hello, how are you?
I'm fine. How are you? Aksha!
I'm good. Show your crafts, how you did it.
Sure.
Wow, so beautiful, so amazing. Are you happy with your crafts? Yes?
Yes.
Lovely, very good. Do share on WhatsApp, okay?
Yes.
Okay, we will return back to.
Actually, this is their first craft class now with you.
Okay, but they did excellent work. I like it very much.
Yes.
Neat and clean
They're
work.
very happy.
Yeah. Ma'am, please do
You can
share your
see that.
you do share your feedback on WhatsApp also,
Sure,
ma'am.
sure.
Thank you
Sure.
so much. Thank you. I will
Okay.
request other moms also to unmute themselves so that we can.
Hello, ma'am.
Hello, how are you, ma'am?
Fine, ma'am. She made this today, ma'am.
Wow, red and white combination is looking great. And okay, this is a purse now with handle.
Yes, ma'am.
So amazing. Efforts are truly great and beautiful. Ma'am, please do share your feedback
Yes, ma'am.
of.
पहले तो मैम ये खुद से नहीं कर पाती थी, लेकिन अभी तो मैम पूरा अपने आप से करने लगी है. पहले तो खूब
अच्छा.
डरती थी, मम्मा मेरी हेल्प करो, मम्मा मेरी हेल्प करो.
अच्छा.
बट 3 मंथ्स हो गए कंटिन्यू उसको करते करते, तो अभी
अच्छा.
एकदम
अच्छा, ये हमारी रेगुलर ड्राइंग क्लासेस में है.
यस मैम, चहक है ये, चहक साहू.
हाँ, चहक. ओके ओके, हर बार ही तो इनका आर्ट क्राफ्ट होता है.
यस मैम, यस
यस यस. तो मैम, आपने एक शिफ्ट ऑफ इम्प्रूवमेंट और कॉन्फिडेंस इनके अंदर देखा है.
या दैट्स.
अच्छा, तो मैम आप इस एक्सपीरियंस को जरूर शेयर कीजिएगा, है ना, क्योंकि बहुत सारे पेरेंट्स को लगता है कि बच्चे कभी सेल्फ डिपेंडेंट हो पाएंगे कि नहीं हो पाएंगे.
Yeah, ma'am. I observed that कि she will do this on only. Yes, ma'am.
Thank you so much, ma'am, and please do share your work. And even today's artwork is excellent, my dear
Yeah,
Chahak.
ma'am. She did its own only. I am sleeping now. She would told, "Mama, come. I want to show, ma'am. You are coming." Next day I came and to show you, ma'am.
Wow, this is really great work and praiseworthy efforts. Wonderful, Chahak. Keep
Thank
it
you.
up. Thank you so much, ma'am. And please do share your feedback on WhatsApp, ma'am. Yes. I will request. Yes, yes, you are on mute.
Hi.
Hello, how are you?
Good.
Acha, enjoy today's class?
Yes.
Show your craft. Wow, so amazing. It's neat and refined. It was easy now or difficult?
Yes.
Easy. Now you're going to make many, right? Yes.
Yes.
This way we will reuse and repurpose waste cards and we will create something amazing, right?
Yes.
Okay. Thank you so much and share your feedback, okay?
Okay.
Yes, I will request others also.
Isa Ahmed, you're unmute.
Hello, ma'am. I'm a father.
Hello.
So
Hello, sir. How are you?
I'm good. Thank you. How are you?
I'm good. Thank you so much, sir.
So we have just started with your batch, and our motive was Isa is actually very interested, but we were not able to give her a direction and the tricks basically that we do while doing craft and drawing as well. So since 2 classes only she's there, but she's enjoying, and through the day she just talks about it. So
Acha.
her creativity is also like coming out in a way that she's now sharing more ideas while she's doing all this.
Wow. And I can see lovely basket trying to show it so
Yes.
beautifully and neatly assembled. And even your, wow, envelope is so beautiful. I love the way you completed. Very well done. Sir, please do share your feedback on WhatsApp as well.
Perfect. Yeah, sure.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
So are you happy? Totally like you are happy with our Geo classes?
Yeah. So we have just started, and it is coming out, and like in 2 sessions only, we are so much satisfied with what she's doing.
Okay, that's great.
So
That's
we
great.
took demo as well, and after that only immediately we enrolled.
Okay. Thank you so much, sir. And please do share your feedback on WhatsApp as well.
Yeah, sure.
Thank you so much. Thank
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. I will request other moms also to unmute yourself.
Hi, ma'am.
Hello, how are you?
I'm fine, ma'am. How are you?
I'm good, my dear. Show your craft.
This
Very
is the
good.
yes.
Both are amazing and wonderful. You completed, and the ways you decorated, it's truly praiseworthy. Wonderful.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, and now you're going to make many more of this kind, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Do share your feedback. I can see all kids hanging their craft in their hands joyfully. I can see that joy. And this is actually the true strength of ours. Yeah. Yes, I will. Children are showing their works, beautiful, amazing, creative, and very neat and clean. So thank you so much, all the kids, for your time, all the moms for your lovely and valuable time. Okay. And you all did excellent work. Do share your work on WhatsApp, my dears. And I'm very happy today we learn how to reuse and repurpose our old waste wedding cards. For now, no envelope or this kind of cute little bag from market. We will make it by your own. Okay. So great work with lots of blessings. I will wind up class. Take care. Bye-bye. Show your thumbs up with smile if you like the class. Thank you. You did excellent work. I'm proud of you, my dear children. Take care. Bye-bye.